What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Bybit. I'm going to tell you why you need it and how you can get it. So before we get in, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. I do it so we can hang out here and get some cool projects on your radar. Let's get straight in. So guys, when you first go on the website right now, okay, the links are going to be down below. It's bybit.com. You are going to get notified with this. Let's start off with this. It's the after party of WSOT. Apex NFTs, cashback rewards, and 100,000 USDT prize pool awaits. All you gotta do is click more to learn more. Let's go have a little overview of the website so far. We've got buy crypto, markets, trade, derivatives, earn NFT, and WSOT, which is what we were just talking about with that pop-up. You got the login and sign up there, and also you got the link. Let's have a look at some specific parts of this site. I want to particularly look at the derivatives, right? This is how you're actually going to trade on here. So let's go to the portal. It says new. Like last time I was actually reviewing this, I never even seen this portal. So this is new. It's really cool. All you got to do is click trade now, okay? It's the best in class crypto derivatives exchange. Let's click trade now, and it's going to take us there. Look at this. This is awesome, right? You've got all of your tools for marking up charts. So what are we on right now? We're on the BTC to USDT chart. Let me, for example, get my lines out. All you got to do is this. If you've used TradingView, it's very similar, if not better. I'm going to put my line right here. I'm going to take my long position, and then we'll put this on this level here. So as you can see, I've set my target up going where I think it will go. If you want to extend it, obviously you can extend it. What this does is your risk to rate. I'm not here to teach you how to use the chart. I'm here to show you how you trade on this. You can change your win to lose ratio, but just like that, okay? But it's got everything on here. It's got your measuring tool, anything you need, okay? Where this went through here, how long it went, 15 bars, 7 hours, 30 minutes it took, okay? Everything you need to start your trading. All you've got to do is learn how to actually mark up the charts. That's something you'll have to learn on a different YouTube video. I'm just showing you this exact Bybit setup. Let's move on to spot trading now. Let's click on spot trading here, and it's going to show you. You can see how this is similar, okay, but it is not like what I just showed you. They haven't got the lines where we're marking up this chart and things like that, okay? This is spot trading. So again, we're on the BTC to USDT. What you're going to do is come across to the right hand side, and if you want to buy, you can just buy spot, okay? You're going to go to buy, your order price is that, your quantity, you type in however much you want. If I had this much BTC, trust me, I would be a very happy man right now. You choose the percentage that you want to use, so 48% order value, and this is how much money that would be. A ridiculous amount. If you want to sell, now you can sell as well. Now you can change it to not a sell limit. You can actually change it to the market and choose your percent that way, or conditional, which has a trigger price. Once it triggers that price, then you jump in. So that's how you use the spot trading, okay? Again, this is the standard. If you feel more comfortable doing it on the chart with TradingView, you can just go up here and click TradingView, okay? Just like we did before. You can actually get your indicators just by clicking on here, okay? And add your indicators too then if you know how it is. Again, I'm not teaching you how to trade on this. I'm teaching you how to use this platform. Also, you can go into depth, so it can actually show you a different kind of chart. I personally don't ever use this, but I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you my only opinion, okay? I would stick with the standard of the trader's view and go that way. At the bottom here, you will actually see the spot pairs that you've put on. Obviously, you need to log in and sign up first to get them information. I don't want to show you my personal profile. You might laugh at some of the trades that I put on recently, but again, I'm not a financial advisor. So let's move on. Okay, guys, now what I have done is logged into my demo account so I can show you how you actually deposit, right? So you're going to want to come up to the top of the page and click where it says buy crypto. Let's click on crypto deposit, okay? And it shows you a video tutorial how to actually buy the crypto. Don't worry, I'm here for you. I'm going to show you. So you're going to choose the coin. Let's, for example, say we are choosing BTC. New users can actually get rewards, earn up to $4,050. Please keep that in mind because it is incredible. And they've got all the FAQs there, right? They've got some important information that you need to know. What you're going to do is click acknowledge and get your address. You're going to copy that address, right? All you got to do, click copy, and it says here, it's copied successfully. You're going to go to your crypto wallet now, and you're going to press withdraw on the BTC coin. Once you press withdraw, it's going to ask you for a wallet. You're going to copy this exact wallet in. It's better to click the button because then you don't mistake. You're going to copy it in there and press withdraw. That is now going to withdraw the BTC from your wallet to here. Okay, this is successfully how you deposit. Now guys, showing you how to withdraw, you want to come up to the top right and click assets. Go to assets overview and it's going to load this page. You will then see your spot balance. Once you've deposited, it will lie here. If you want to withdraw, you just click withdraw. Now, if you are struggling, okay, you can just go to assets at any point, overview, and you'll have everything here. Deposit, withdraw, transfer, trade. I just showed you the top left because it is a lot quicker, okay? And this also gets through to everything else that you need to go through. Your earning, your USDC derivatives, your funding, your everything else, okay? And you can also go to the exchange. So this is where you're gonna click withdraw. You click it here, and it will say, for your account security that's operating subject to the following conditions. I've got to do my Google authentication. Obviously, this is a demo account, so I've not done that yet. But once you've done that, it'll just come up with how much you want to withdraw. Now, withdraw is the opposite. You want to place your wallet address in the withdrawal box on here, and it will be withdrawn to your wallet. Really, really easy. There you can turn it into fiat and do whatever you want to do with it. If you have a prepaid card like I do on crypto.com, you can just spend straight from your crypto card. Now, guys, if you want to do some copy trading, okay, all you got to do is go to derivatives and you hit the copy trading button. This will give you an introduction if you click there if you don't know what it is, but I'm telling you it's the best way, in my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, how to make money on here, okay? You can track your copy trades just by clicking that there. And again, a tutorial if you need it. If you already know what this is, that's fine. These are full, but you got to find one that just says copy, okay? So they're only allowed a certain amount of people. So Dragonhead, 100% win rate over 7 days, which is incredible, 100% of 3 weeks. All you got to do is click copy, and it will allow you to copy trade, okay? Read that, confirm. It will tell you what you want to go into. Obviously, the contracts, all these are used. You will choose which ones you want, and the position mode is isolated. Your leverage is there. What I would do is choose a nice leverage, order cost, put how much you want to put in, and it will tell you on here, okay? You put your TP percentage, whatever you want. I would be very careful putting your TP, by the way, is total profit. SL is stop loss. Make sure you have a stop loss on. I'm not a financial advisor or a professional trader, but I can tell you, I would recommend putting stop losses on every trade you ever do. You do not want to lose your money. You don't want to get burnt, okay? Trading's a very difficult game. Available balance, or you can just transfer it if you need, and then you would just go. That is your copy trading settings. Now, the only thing I want to pick out is you have to give a profit share, 10% profit share, and because let's be figured, Dragonhead is doing all the work. All you're doing is copying. All right, so that's how it works. Super, super simple. Now we're going to talk about the staking. So guys, another amazing feature on here is actually the stakings. If you just go up to earn, okay, and go to Bybit savings, this is your staking center. Now, what is it? So it provides you a customized savings experience, allowing you to earn interest on your favorite coins. Staking, as we say. You can choose from flexible and fixed term products that offer competitive and guaranteed APYs. So the principal guaranteed, flexible and firm, and high APYs. They have a lot of offers. All right, see here it says stake now. It has a countdown timer, how many people are in, how much APY. This one's 999%. All you gotta do is click stake now, okay? Choose the one you like, whatever the token is that you like. You can see the token here, CUSD, MNNZ. Just click stake now. If not, you can go down to the big ones. Okay, we got the Bitcoin, the ETH, the BIT, stuff like that, and you can just stake them straight here. The APYs aren't as big, so I would always go to these exclusive offers, choose one that's nearly 1,000%, and get straight in, okay? That's the staking. Super interesting, guys. Now, guys, some additional points. We do have the summer reloaded blast off, right? So there's 0% maker fee until 31st of July. Only after the affiliate account has been created for tracking. So if you're trying to be an affiliate on here, you can get a 0% maker fee. Also, there's some airdrops, a lucky draw that's going to be deposit $10 to receive $10 worth of BIT, which is their native token for the first 100 packs. Now, please use gleam.io. The links will be down below as always, if possible. So in summary, guys, I hope you loved this just as much as I did, all right? If you liked it, please hit the like button. If you loved it, guess what you could do? Hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell if you want to be notified about more videos. And until next time, have a very blessed day. I will see you on the next video.